Hello everyone. We are going to see a topic bounded medium. This bounded medium is with respect to wave, mechanical wave. If bounded medium means whichever definite property and this definite property is used to separate it from the other medium. See here in example, if we take example of stressed string between two rigid supports. When we make our vibrations, disturb it, it starts to vibrate. Right? So these are the boundaries of that. It has a definite boundary. If you once make, it has a definite boundary, and these boundaries are used to separate from other medium. So here is the medium something, and the boundaries are different. So whenever the vibration made and produce sound wave or infrasonic wave or ultrasonic wave by beat, then it is called vibration in bounded medium. These bounded medium has definite frequency. And it is depend on, in case of string, the diameter of the string or mass per unit length or whatever tension is given in the string. So its length, different thing, what is the range of a boundary. But for a given condition, it has a definite boundary, a definite frequency, and these frequencies are called characteristic property. This characteristic property of bounded medium. So different bounded medium is certain constant frequency, and this constant frequency is called characteristic property, means that is the natural property of that bounded medium. Some example which produces sound wave, the case of bounded medium, sitar, example of stressed string, guitar, air column. See in air column, flute, the musical instrument used to produce sound wave. So these, at a definite condition, it has a definite frequency. That is why it is called characteristic property of this type of musical instrument. See, this boundary of bounded medium is of two types. These two types, in the first it is called rigid, or it is also called closed. The second one is known as free or open. For the rigid end or closed end, example C. In case of sitar, it is example of sitar wire, is example of stressed string. Whose both ends is closed. So boundary of the bounded medium is said to be rigid in case of sitar or any stressed string instrument, right? But when we take example of air column, right? And example, when we take a glass which is filled with air in it, air column. So here see, it has a two end. This end is called closed end and it is called free ends. See, mechanical wave reflected from both ends. Both ends. Ends may be free or closed, rigid or free, whatever we say, denser or rare. In that condition, the different behavior shown by the waves, which we will see in the next video. So this is for this video only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.